Here's everything that comes inside the box with this 10-in-1 Steam Mop. You get multiple cleaning attachments, microfiber pads, specialty brushes, a window cleaning tool, carpet glider, and a storage bag to keep everything organized. One thing I really like is how fast this heats up. It only takes about 10 seconds to start producing steam. It also has a very long cord, which makes it easy to move around rooms without constantly switching outlets. What really makes the steamer stand out is the multi and up design. You can place the main unit at the bottom, middle, or top, depending on where you want the weight distributed. This makes it much easier to clean floors, reach higher surfaces, or get under furniture comfortably. I used it on my laminate floors and it glides smoothly while using powerful steam to lift dirt and refresh the surface. Switching attachments is really simple. With the carpet glider attached, I was able to freshen up my area rug and even clean carpeted stairs easily. You can also use it to steam fabrics like curtains, which helps remove wrinkles and freshen them up without taking them down. I tried the window cleaning attachment using steam and the cloth, then finished with the squeegee for a streak-free finish. I also used the scraper tool with steam on my glass stovetop to help loosen stuck-on residue and grease. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, and I like that all the attachments fit neatly into the included storage bag, making it simple to put away. Thanks to the brand for sending me this Steam Mop to try out. It's a versatile cleaning tool that can handle multiple surfaces around the home.